what we used to do in this particular church. We used to buy mortuary water. We used to go and get mortuary water. Mortuary water, it used to be sold. There are guys who work in the mortuary, the undertakers. They actually sell this water very expensive. You find that a small bottle, like 300 ml, it goes for up to 30,000.
Wow.
And this water, you mix it with the oil, and then you have seen when people are falling and they are being delivered, you have seen the pastors opening their mouth and spraying the mortuary water in their mouth like this. And then you find somebody, they believe that now demons are coming out. The mortuary water cannot remove any demon. What they does is that they initiate you. You get initiated into that church. So in that church, you will be like a dead person. Whatever you are told, you will just do.